You don't even need to wear makeup.
Sorry, what?
I just said you don't even need to wear makeup. What was that? Have a gun.
I'm not the shooter. It's Matt Corgan. I saw him.
Do you know where he is now?
My brother.
Oh, fuck, are you shot?
My brother.